Here's how you can easily hype a video on YouTube. You can see right here, you first want to make sure your app is up to date. Otherwise, you might not have this feature. But when you open up the app or just the browser on your computer, you actually do need to be logged in if you do want to hype a video. And keep in mind, you can only hype videos that have been posted in the last 7 days. But you can see right here, if I just want to click on this video that I want to hype, you can basically see there's this option. If we go over to the side, just on the comment section, you can basically swipe over to the side and click on the hype this video. And you can see right here, if you click on hype, you get to basically hype your favorite creators and favorite videos. You can see it'll apply 1,000 hype points to the video, and you can see there's actually a section where you can see how many hype points the video has. Or if you don't view the hype board right here, you can actually swipe over on this panel and click on the hype to see how many hype points this video has, or the leaderboard like so, if you do want to view the most hyped videos on YouTube at the moment. And you can even see the videos that you have hyped just on this page like so, and the top 100 on YouTube at all time at the moment. And that's all you need to do to actually use this hype feature. You might not have it on every video, but you basically swipe over to the side or use this panel like so, where you can easily click on the hype video option, and you can only hype 3 videos per week, so keep that in mind. But yeah, you can just hype your favorite creators.